Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. So I took a break for 3 days. I was thinking of streaming on Saturdays and Sundays, but I thought of taking break. So I watched two movies. One was Shrek, and the second one was like a Hindi movie, Suryavanshi. So let me start with the to-do part. So today is 4th. That was on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I took break, and today is 4th. 04 022 Let me see what was my to do. Okay, so this I have completed in the weekend. I also code, like I did coding for um I guess maybe 3 or 4 hours daily, but I thought not to take break from streaming and focus on like the entire coding stuff. So let me start with the today part. Explore next day JS. Explore SES, AWS, email. Okay, so what was that? SES. Yep, that was correct. It's SES. I need to export this one. Then I have might that application is left. Yep, this one my to do application. So we'll visit my application. Okay, so let's start with the Next.js stuff. So I was just reading through this. We'll start by creating a project from scratch. Npx create, next step npx create. Let me keep this side by side. On installation, you will see the prompt. Okay, after you created, next step. Yes, what is the name of the project? Next, done. One. Okay, so yes, yes, statement. Yes, would you like to use SRC directory? Yes, app router. Yes, let's see, aliasing. Okay, so you did not ask me for aliasing. Creating directories. Okay, I have. Okay, so let me see what it created. Hello everyone. So should I delete this app for now? What? I have app. So in SRC, I have app installed, so that is not an issue. So I have layout and a page. Create a root layout inside a layout app layout with the required HTML tag. Okay, it's already there. Then connected a home page in page.js. Return hello world. Okay, let it be. So it is in route, so we'll explore that one. The page directory optional. Okay, set is optional. Next, add an JF file inside to define the global layout. Learn more about the custom app file. So it is in routing actually. We'll explore that, not an issue. Because I can control this one too. Nice. Public folder is optional. Project structure this page provides an overview of the project structure of the nice application covers up double files and photo configuration. First one, routing convention with the app and the page directly. Click the file folder and the name to learn more about each of. This is a top level folder, app router. Okay, and pages route, the public route. Top level files are used to configure your application, manage dependency. So I have next configuration file for Next.js. Okay, package.js instructions. Okay, open telemetry and instruction file. Okay, Next.js auth middleware. I don't have that too. In local environment, production environment, development environment, and configure ESLint configuration. There it is. Yep, this one. I'm getting now. Okay. App routing convention. The following file convention are used to define used to define routes and handle metadata in the app router routing files. Layout is JSX page loading UI. Okay, not found. An error, global error, route template and default nested routes. Folder and dynamic routes. Done. So we use buckets for done. Let me create a note actually. Okay, so we'll remember this one now. Okay, route group and private folder. Okay, so this is for grouping group. Route without affecting routing. Okay, so parallel and intercepted route name slot. This is high level. Okay, MATLAB file app icon. So the next app router. Router introduces a new model for building application using React Native, which is a server component, stream streaming with suspense and server actions. I started with the app router, creating my first. How can I access the request object in layout? Okay, so next there are product set of special files to create UI with a specific behavior in nested pages. Okay. So for specific pages we can create a okay, so for specific pages, so suppose we have a dashboard. Inside that one I have a settings, and inside that I have a page that will render the page. So for this specific one I can have layout, unique UI for the route, and make route publicly accessible. This page one. Then I have a layout, this is shared UI for segment. Then I have loading, not found. Then I have a route for server side API endpoint. Okay. Then I have a template and default, but default I will see. Then good to know, file extension can be used for special files. Okay. Component hierarchy, the React component defined in special files of the route segment are rendered in a specific hierarchy. Okay, layout JS. I have layout JS, template JS, React error boundary, React suspense boundary. Okay, React error boundary again. Okay, so this is not found, or a nested route. Okay, in nested route, the component of the segment will be nested inside the component of its parent. In nested, or component of the segment will be nested inside the component of its parent. Yep. So this will actually look like this. So in dashboard we have layout, in error. So in dashboard I have settings, inside settings I have layout, error, and loading. So error boundary, suspense, then layout for this one. Then I have a suspense and other stuff. Location, in addition to special files, also you have the option to collocate your own, for example, components inside the folder in app. Okay. This is because while folders define routes, only the component returned by page. Okay, so whenever we have a folder, suppose it's Abhishek, then only a page file inside that folder will be accessible. Nice one. Hello everyone. Mhm. Okay, so what it said is we can create a dashboard here. Inside that dashboard we can have a page.tsx or something, and here we can say this is dashboard page, and if I go to dashboard, okay, so it will be export default all page. Yep, and inside this also I can have a settings, and inside settings I can have a page.psx. This is settings inside dashboard. Yep, and what it says we can have a layout.js. For example, the layout will be shared with the dashboard and settings pages, and in the layout include, okay, so in dashboard I can have a .tsx. In dashboard, and here I need to export some stuff. Eventually what I did is will be a page or a nested layout. Okay, it is taking a prop children, and children is of type React node, include shared UI. Okay, let me see. Apple, this is here also, and okay, and okay, so if I copy this and paste inside the settings, and here I will let pineapple, then what I will get. So here I have apple. In settings I have apple and pineapple. Okay, so it will combine both one. Nice. So, and if I have something in my main, that is this one, let's see. Actually this should be inside here. Yep, apple 12 is below everything. This is a root. because it is part of functions. Hello, buddy. Welcome to the stream. Today I'm learning Next.js. Like, I wanted to explore this from few weeks, so I thought of doing this today. I'm a bit tired of coding new stuff, so I'm just learning new things. I have a plan for that to-do stuff, but I'm a bit tired today. We'll probably start from tomorrow, like that stuff only. By the way, thank you for joining. No, I am a full stack developer working in a startup. Like this year only I graduated. Thank you, simple. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for your kind words. Means a lot. If you have any suggestions, you can let me know. It will be great. Okay, so it was used here. Then we started the router stuff. This is the actual JavaScript, I guess. Routing and navigation work. I will not go in detail of this one. Partial rendering means only the routes element that change when on navigation. The render on the client and any shared segment are preserved. For example, when navigating between two sibling routes, dashboard settings and dashboard analytics, the settings and analytics page will be okay. So partial rendering. means only the route or segments that change on navigation to rendered segment are preserved. Okay. Hello everyone. So for example, when navigating between two sibling routes, okay, okay, nice. Why to go TypeScript instead of this one? Loading UI and stringing. So, special file loading.js helps to create also to create meaningful loading UI with React Suspense. With this dimension, you can show an instant loading state when they from the server where the content of the route segment or the new content is automatically wrapped in one loading. Okay, so I can create loading.jsx. Yeah, I don't have to look for this one. Yeah, buddy, I have a mic. Show something crazy. What you want to see? I'm just learning stuff. Just reading. By the way, welcome to the stream. So how to find the third node from the end in a single list linked list. One brute force solution. You store always the first and the third one. So whenever the first one and is at the last one, so the second one will be at the third, like from the last to third one. So that you will have the third last one in the second variable. This is quite simple one. Like for this, so you have to traverse all the to the entire linked list, and that will be around big of, and the space complexity will be not too much for one variable. And let me think of another one. How to find the third node from the end in a single list. Mm, but first one will be quite trivial because when you will start the second one, that will be the case. Okay. Mm, for now, I'm able to think that one only. If you have any like good example, a good answer, you can drop in the chat box. The question is quite interesting, and I'm feeling it is quite simple. I have to invest some 10-15 minutes on this. Like I left like CP and 3-4 months back, like when I finished my college graduation. After that, I joined a company, and then after that, I am just into front end stuff only. Like we'll start with like lead code context again. Sundays one I will join. Not join actually. I will try to join. So can you write a program to implement a binary search tree? Actually, I won't be able to now. Like I haven't practiced it from like 4 or 5 months. Binary search tree. Like I'm not able to recall what binary search tree was. I will start with this one again, like CP stuff when I am done with Next.js and Nest.js. Like you gave me a boost, like a morale boost. Thank you for this. Let me search binary search tree. Yep. Okay, so binary implement binary search tree. I'm not sure about the implementation, but searching is quite easy in this binary search one. Like big of I guess and log n something, and is the height of the tree, and log n is like it will cut half of the portion. Suppose in center we have 3, so in left side we have a smaller value, like that will be 2, and from on the right side we have 4. So if I am searching 2, then 2, then I will go for a one level. I will get a root as 3. So if I will move to left child, the left child will be leaf, as we have only 2 layers, like 2 height of the tree is 2 only, height or depth you can say. We have 2, so that will be a leaf child. So we will directly go to 2, so that is n, that is for the height, and log n will be that it will cut the tree, that is our searching space, in half portion. like uh, this is what I can recall. But implementation, I'm not sure how we can do that, but I guess it will be quite easy one. We just have to assign left and right child. So I guess we will create a class, a node class. Like I'm just able to recall it slowly. Like in C or Java, what we can do is we can create a class that class will have a node, a left child and a right child, and a data value. Okay, like I have a video in mind, like I have an image in my mind that I'm able to recall. And left child will be at the exact same node, and the right one will be exact same node, and value will hold that value. So suppose we have a list of numbers, okay, and we want to create a binary search tree. So what we can do is we can slowly traverse it, and we can start from the main. I guess we need to pass the root node in that stuff, so that it can start. Like if we pass one, it will be difficult for him itself to start. So like we can follow this approach. I'm not quite sure, yeah, this is the correct one, but I'm able to recall this stuff. Are you asking me your context, like contest questions, or what? Are you testing me? Just casually asking. Thank you. Like you motivated me to start this stuff again. So we'll start. Like my main issue is the time constant. Like I can only invest 2 or 3 hours in these stuffs, and Saturday Sunday like I'm too tired. So for like I in daily use I'm a full stack developer, so I usually learn these stuff, new stuffs like Nest.js and Next.js. To get time for this one I need to like sacrifice some stuffs like so let's see. I will I will also I will start including this CP stuff in my to-do list. Like previously I used to like stream like CP only, like you can find my older streams. Now I'm like fully into Monstack and front end stuff, front end and back end stuff. Okay, so it will be accounts only. If I'm in this one, let me create a page. I'm also making this in my making notes in my notebook for future use. Sort of stack using recursion. Okay. Stack is lever, so last in, first out. Like I have seen this question in like Aditya Verma's video actually. He's a YouTuber. Like not seen, I have seen the title and description thumbnail actually. Then I did not view the video. So the stack using recursion. If I'm not able to figure out, I will write in my to do and study this tomorrow. I guess it is a priority queue question or what? Like priority queue or something. Like while stack is I will do a recursion while stack is not empty, we'll take the current one and we'll uh, push it into a priority queue or a min heap or a max heap. I guess in Java we get default max heap and max heap maximum is at the top, so we can use min heap or something similar to this one. We can try max heap only. I'm like yep, we can try with max heap only. Not only, we can try with max heap, one method. Okay, so we'll start with this from tomorrow. Farewell. Where are you from, Ron? I'm from Mumbai, like I stay in Mumbai. I'm feeling a bit sleepy. We'll do this tomorrow only. Thank you everyone for joining. Means a lot. Thank you. Thank you, Rocky. Thank you, Sugar. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Good night.